What is the typical rate of return on annuities? Have you ever wondered how annuities stack up against bonds when it comes to retirement investing? Let's break down the typical rate of return on annuities and how they can fit into your retirement plan. The rate of return on annuities can vary quite a bit based on the type of annuity and the specific terms of the contract. For fixed annuities, which guarantee a set interest rate, current rates generally range from about 4% to 7% annually. If you look at multi-year guaranteed annuities, you might find rates around 5.5% to 7% for terms between 3 to 10 years. For instance, 5-year fixed annuities often yield around 6.3% to 7%, while shorter or longer terms may have slightly different rates. These rates are influenced by the prevailing interest rates in the economy and the insurer's credit rating. Now, let's talk about variable annuities. These are a bit different because they invest in underlying funds, such as exchange-traded funds or index funds. Typically, variable annuities have an average annual return between 8% and 10%. However, keep in mind that these returns are not guaranteed and can fluctuate based on market performance. When considering annuities for retirement, it is essential to distinguish between the total rate of return and the compound annual growth rate. The total rate of return shows the overall gain since purchase, while the compound annual growth rate reflects the average yearly return, accounting for compounding over time. For example, if an annuity grows from $400,000 to $500,000 in 4 years, the compound annual growth rate would be about 5.7%. Fixed annuities can provide stability and predictable income, which is particularly valuable for retirement planning. They are great for those looking to preserve capital and avoid market volatility. On the other hand, variable annuities offer the potential for higher returns but come with greater risk and often higher fees. To summarize, fixed annuities typically offer returns ranging from about 4% to 7% annually, while multi-year guaranteed annuities often provide rates around 5.5% to 7%. Variable annuities can average returns of roughly 8% to 10% annually, but remember, those returns are market-dependent and not guaranteed. For retirement investors, annuities can provide a reliable income stream and principal protection. It is essential to compare rates, contract terms, fees, and how the annuity fits within your broader retirement portfolio. Understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions about your retirement investments.